How to make Keto Egg Roll Wrap. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 12-ounce ground pork, 3 tablespoons fresh ginger, grated, 3 teaspoons fresh garlic, minced, 1½ cups green cabbage, shredded, 1/4 cup carrot, shredded, 1/4 cup gluten-free soy sauce, 8 large eggs, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon avocado oil. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the sesame oil along with the ground pork, grated ginger, and minced garlic. 3. Stir together and break up the meat until the pork starts to brown. 4. Add the shredded cabbage, shredded carrots, and gluten-free soy sauce. Stir together and let cook for 3 to 5 minutes. 5. In a large bowl, crack the eggs. Season with salt. 6. Whisk them together until they are combined well. 7. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the avocado oil. Pour the egg mixture in until it fills up the pan. Let this sit and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. 8. Carefully flip over the egg wrap and let this side cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Move to a plate. 9. Spoon the pork and vegetable mixture onto the egg wrap. 10. Carefully roll the egg wrap like a burrito. Roll it over the pork, then tuck both sides in and continue to roll. 11. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Egg Roll Wrap. Each serving comes out to be 454 calories, 33.1 grams fat, 4.7 grams net carbs, and 30.2 grams protein. If you would like to get a free keto cookbook for weight loss, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.